Porsche unexpectedly topped the ranking of the most unreliable cars. Warrantywise, a UK firm that provides extended warranties, has compiled its own list of brands that most often require unscheduled repairs. The leader by a wide margin was Porsche. The top 10 included 9 European brands: Land Rover, Jaguar, Alfa, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Vauxhall and Volvo. Mitsubishi became the worst among the Asian companies. Brands were ranked by Warrantywise experts using their own scoring system. However, for clarity, there is another scale: the maximum cost of unscheduled repairs under an extended warranty for 2021 and 2022. Here, Land Rover and Mercedes-Benz are leaders, which required a one-time intervention for more than £23,000. Audi, BMW, and Jaguar cars can also be costly to repair, with Warrantywise having to fork out between £17,000 and £20,000 after the biggest breakdowns. Porsche did not have to spend more than £11,000 on warranty repairs, and Alfa Romeo's regular breakdowns are compensated by the fact that even the most expensive service will not cost more than £7,000. Asian brands annoy Warrantywise the least. Korean and Japanese car owners enjoy the least extended warranty, and repair bills are much lower than for European premium owners. Hyundai is working on a virtual robotic dual-clutch transmission. This software add-on will go to the upcoming Ioniq 5N electric car, and the operation of the transmission in the Hyundai i30N became the reference for the system. Virtual grin shift mode will simulate the vibrations and shocks of the DCT box, and all this will be synchronized with the N Sound Plus sound generator. The technology is at the final stage of development. It is hard not to notice that electric vehicles are actively adopting the features of fuel-powered vehicles. First, they learn to imitate the sound of an engine. And now we are talking about the illusion of the transmission. The successor to the Lexus LFA, for example, will get a clutch pedal and a manual shift lever, making it feel like the gears are shifting in the usual way, manually. The upcoming Ioniq 5N will go the other way and try out the DCT virtual robot. According to Hyundai executive technical consultant Albert Berman, the technology is in the final stages of development. The driver of an electric car will feel the same as the owner of the Hyundai i30N hot hatch. Vibrations and jolts are synchronized with the operation of electric motors, as well as the N Sound Plus sound generator. At launch, Ioniq 5N will be loaded with several soundtracks to choose from, plus it will be possible to create your own. According to preliminary information, the Ioniq 5N will get a power plant with a capacity of about 600 horsepower. In addition, the electric car will boast enhanced brakes, a multi-level recovery system and a drift mode. Dynamic characteristics have not yet been disclosed, but the Ioniq 5 North may well be faster in acceleration to 100 km per hour than the Kia EV6 GT platform, which spends 3.5 seconds on it.